Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see some beautiful crochet ladies tote bag designs model. A crochet ladies tote bag is a stylish handmade handbag created by crocheting yarn into a sturdy, practical tote shape. It is designed for everyday use and can carry items such as books, a wallet, phone, cosmetics, or small personal belongings. Main features: handmade look. Crochet stitches give the bag a unique handcrafted texture. For spacious design, tote bags usually have an open, roomy interior. Comfortable handles. Handles can be crocheted directly into the bag or attached separately. Many designs. Popular patterns include granny squares, floral motifs, solid stitches, and geometric patterns. Customizable colors. You can combine neutral, pastel, bright, or multicolor yarns. Versatile style. It can complement casual, cottage, boho, vintage, or modern outfits. Optional lining. Adding fabric lining can make the bag more durable and help prevent small items from slipping through the stitches. Overall, a crochet ladies tote bag combines practicality, creativity, and handmade charm, making it a popular DIY accessory and a lovely handmade gift. Here are some tips making a crochet ladies tote bag. Choose a strong yarn. Cotton or cotton blend yarn is a good choice because it is durable and holds its shape well. Next, pick the right hook size. Follow the yarn label's recommendation, but use a slightly smaller hook if you want tighter stitches. Make a sturdy base. A firm, oval-shaped bottom helps the tote stand up and carry everyday items comfortably. Keep your tension even. Consistent tension will make the stitches look neat and keep both sides of the bag symmetrical. Choose a suitable stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, moss stitch, and tied granny style patterns can work beautifully for tote bags. Reinforce the handle. Handles receive a lot of stress, so crochet several strong rows and reinforce the attachment points. Add a fabric lining. A lining gives the tote a cleaner finish and adds extra strength. Consider a pocket. A small inner pocket is useful for keeping a phone, keys, or other small items organized. Use a simple color palette. 2 or 3 coordinated colors can create an elegant and easy to match design. Add decorative details like crochet flowers, tassels, bows, buttons, or textured borders can give the tote a distinctive handmade character. Check the size as your work. Measure the width and height regularly so the finished bag matches your intended dimensions. Finish the edge neatly. A clean border around the top opening can make the entire bag look more polished. Secure all ends carefully. Weave yarn's tail securely so the bag stays neat and durable with regular use. Make a test swatch. A small sample helps you check the stitch appearance, tension, and approximate size before starting the full bag. Think about its purpose. For books and heavier items, use a denser stitch and stronger handles. For a lightweight fashion tote, you can choose a more decorative stitch pattern. Create a flat bottom. A rectangular or oval base can make the tote more stable and spacious. Use tighter stitches for structure. Dense stitches help prevent the bag from stretching too much when it is filled. Try granny squares. Joint colorful granny squares can create a charming vintage or boho style tote. Add a magnetic closer. A simple magnetic snap can help keep the contents of the bag secure. Use sturdy handles. Consider crocheting thick handles or adding a strong fabric reinforcement inside them. Avoid overly heavy yarn. Very bulky yarn can make a large tote unnecessarily heavy. Create a matching strap. A removable or adjustable crochet strap can make the tote more versatile. Add a decorative border. A construction border around the opening can give the bag a finished appearance. Experiment with texture. Combine stitches such as puff, bubble, ribbed, or shell stitches for visual interest. Choose washable materials. For an everyday tote, yarn that is easy to clean can be especially practical. Make the corners strong. Reinforce the corners and handles joints because these areas experience extra tension. Keep the shape symmetrical. Count stitches carefully, especially when working in creases, decreases, or shaped base. Try seasonal colors. Pastel works nicely for spring, earthy tones for autumn, and bright combinations for summer. Add a personalized touch. A small crocheted details, flower, charm, or handmade tag can make the tote unique. Block the finished bit. Gently blocking can help straighten the panels and give the finished bag a more professional shape. Plan the design before crocheting. Decide the dimensions, stitch patterns, colors, handles, and closure beforehand. Combine crochet with fabric. A fabric lining with a crochet exterior can create a beautiful combination of softness and structure. Make a matching set. You can create a matching coin purse, phone pouch, or a small cosmetic bag to accompany the tote. Keep the opening comfortable. Make sure the top opening is wide enough for easy access without making the bag too loose. Test the handles before finishing. Gently check the handle adjustment to make sure they feel secure and comfortable. Choose a suitable bag shape. Rectangle, square, trapezoid, and rounded shapes can each create a different overall style. Use stitch markers. They can help you keep track of rounds and maintain an accurate stitch count. Try color blocking. Divide the bag into sections of different colors for a clean, modern appearance. Use neutral shades for versatility. Cream, beige, brown, gray, or soft black can make the tote easy to coordinate with many outfits. Create a signature detail. A distinctive border, motif, stitch combination, or color adjustment can make your design memorable. Thank you so much for watching this video.